Hello children. So moi etia tumlokor present continuous tense voice change bilak solve kori asu. Exercise 3. One number to dia ase children are flying kites on the roof. Passive ki hobo etu? Object to hold kites. Tale ki hobo? Kites are being flown on the roof by the children. Number 2. Clothes are being stitched by the tailor. Active hobo? The tailor is stitching clothes. Number 3. Tables are not being laid for the guest. Object is hidden. Object it will be subject they. They are not laying tables for the guest. Number 4. Interrogative. Is the baby being suckled by the mother? Active ki hobe etu? Is the mother suckling the baby? 5. Number 2. The building is being whitewashed. Etu ki hobe active? They are whitewashing the building. Number 6. The painter is drawing a new picture. Present continuous passive. Active. Passive hobo. A new picture is being drawn by the painter. Number 7. Interrogative sentence. Why are you grumbling over your lot? Why is your lot being grumbled over by you? Question mark. Number 8. Interrogative sentence. How is he being helped by them all? What is the active? Active is how are they all helping him? Question mark. Okay. Number 9. Who is knocking at the door? Active voice. What is the passive? By whom is the door being knocked at? Question mark. Number 10. A new play is being staged tonight. Passive voice. Active voice hobo. They are staging a new play tonight. Number 11. India is importing petroleum from Iran. Petroleum is the object that will be subject in the passive voice. Petroleum is being imported from Iran by India. Number 12. The guests are having dinner in the hall. Object is here dinner. Dinner it will be subject. Dinner is being having verb 3 had. Dinner is being had in the hall by the guest. Number 13. Interrogative sentence. Are the poor not being helped by the rich? Present continuous passive. The active ki hobo? The rich is plural, that is why I start with are. Are the rich not helping the poor? Question mark. Ete ami present perfect tense or voice change ni solve korim. Exercise 1 number 1. Change to passive. Interrogative sentence. Where have you kept the bunch of keys? The bunch of keys is singular, right? So that is why here will be after question word has will be used. So what is the passive? Where has the bunch of keys been kept by you? Number 2. The principal has fined him 10 rupees. Him is the object that will be subject in the passive. Then what is the passive? He has been fined 10 rupees by the principal. Number 3. The traders have hoarded onion. Onion is object that will be subject in the passive. Onion is singular, that is why has been. Onion has been hoarded by the traders. Number 4. Somebody has stolen my watch. Passive voice ki hobo? My watch has been stolen by somebody. You can omit it. Right. Number 5. She has done much to help me. Much is the object that will be subject in the passive. Much has been done to help me by her. Okay. Number 6. No one has opened the lock. LOCK. Acha. The passive is the passive voice. Object will be new subject. The lock has not been opened by no one to ki hobo? Anyone. Okay. Number 7. Nobody has ever beaten her at tennis. Her is the object that will be passive in the new subject, that is she. She has never been beaten at tennis by anybody. Nobody to ki hobo? Anybody. Number 8. Who has appointed him the captain? If we start with who, then changes into passive voice by whom. Then by whom has he been appointed the captain? Right. Next, 9 number. A friend has given me this news. What is the passive? I have been given this news by a friend. Number 10. Somebody has left the tap running. What is the passive? The tap has been left running by somebody to likhibo na lage. We can omit it. Okay. Next. Number 11. Has anyone answered your question? What is the passive? Has your question been answered by anyone? Question mark hobo yate. ठीक है. Number 12. His parents have brought him up very lovingly. What is the passive? Him is the object, that will be subject. He has been brought up very lovingly by his parents. Number 13, an unseen hand has opened the window. Achha, what is the passive? The window has been opened by an unseen hand. Number 14, the bearer has spilled tea all over the tablecloth. Tea is the object, that will be subject in the passive. Tea has been spilled all over the tablecloth by the bearer. Number 15, I have not sharpened the knife. It passive ki hobo? The knife has not been sharpened by me. My dear students, if you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.